Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a trip to Brixton, the heart of South London. So Brixton has the biggest Caribbean community, loads of Jamaican culture, and it's very diverse as well. But on this episode I've got this dope place I want to share with you guys. It's called Maureen's Kitchen. It's exactly what it is. It's a kitchen serving some Jamaican food, and I can't wait to show you guys the experience, the way they cook the food. And we're gonna eat some food as well, and I'm gonna share it with you. So stick around and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Right, so I'm outside the place. I'm absolutely starved and I can't wait to go. We're gonna see Maureen, the owner. We're gonna meet some of the staff. We're gonna see the cooking process. We're gonna eat some food, and I'm gonna share my experience with you guys. Let's go. So I'm inside the place, and there's Maureen, the owner. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're good. Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. So I'm inside the house, and as soon as you enter the house, you can feel the aromas. You can smell the aromas, and the staff are super busy. You got staff cooking outside, and then you've got the kitchen behind me as well. You can see Maureen in the kitchen. There's so much things cooking. We're going to show you guys what's on the menu today. So what's on the menu today? What have you got on the menu?
Today we have
curry. It looks so busy, innit? Yeah. So busy. So what have you got?
Today we have brown stew chicken.
Yeah.
That's ready to go into the bain-marie over here soon. We have pepper steak already finished.
Oh, you got pepper steak?
Yeah, already.
Nice.
The bain-marie, and then we have the famous curry goat.
Yeah.
The curry goat.
Yeah, that's definitely people's favourite.
That's the people. Yeah. That's it.
Cool.
One of. And the oxtail still cooking.
Oh my god. You know what? That's what I'm waiting for, you know.
Yeah, oxtail still cooking.
I'm waiting for the oxtail.
Yeah.
See that? Yeah.
And then we have curry chicken cooking over here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Nice.
And then hard food.
Hard food.
The boiled banana and the dumpling.
Everything.
That one cooking.
Mm-hmm.
Then we cut it down by this too. And we're making macaroni and cheese.
Oh, nice.
So go inside the oven.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
As I told you guys, it's so busy, there's so much food, and when you go to the back, there's the grill area, so they're grilling a lot of jerk chicken at the back. So how did the business start?
Well, I was working at St. Louis in the 90s, and I fell pregnant, and then I had my first son, and he went back to work.
Yeah.
He was crying a lot.
Yeah.
So I decided to resign. They never want me to resign because I was a big worker.
Yeah.
And they said that they will do anything for me to stay, but the baby wouldn't settle.
Okay.
He would just cry. I would get to work part-time, 3 hours. I would cry until I get back. He would cry on my way home. Wait until I get back, he was still crying.
Yeah.
So my heart gave it. And I just say, my friend said to me, she always come out every evening and eat her food. I said, Maureen, you're such a good cook.
Yeah.
Why don't you cook and sell us some food? Anyway, I took it upon myself and I went and asked some other hairdressers. And I said, and some other business days. I said, if I start cooking, will you buy? And they said, yes. And that's how it started.
Okay, so you started selling to like the local business?
The local, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I would give them the food and then pick up the money every Saturday evening.
So you supply the food and then you build them at the end of the week.
At the end of the week. That's how I started.
Yeah.
So and then it just went start word of mouth.
Yeah.
Most of my sales is by word of mouth.
Yeah.
And that was it. Really.
Okay, and then you decide to sell in your house.
Yeah, this is like my flat was used to down at Atlantic Road. That's where I started. Pots, my glue. Yeah. Buy green glue, buy some bigger size pots. And then after keep on cooking because we keep on selling. Yeah, so that's where I started.
Nice, okay. So another thing I want to ask you, if people want to do takeaway, they obviously can take away. What if they want to eat in?
Yeah, I do let them eat. I do let them eat because sometimes they're coming from far and they're hungry.
Yeah.
So I let them sit at my table.
Oh, is it? Oh, so they can actually dine inside your house?
Yeah, I let them sit
Wow,
and eat.
imagine that. Ooh, what's that? What's that? Fried chicken. Oh, that wings. Fried wings. Right. Yeah, that sizzling, that oil sizzling. Guys, when you're here, all you can smell is food. Right here, I'm smelling so much fried fish, fried wings, and then behind me, you've got some rice and peas here. As you can see, she's doing the rice and peas. It's a lot of rice.
Yeah.
So,
to make sure it gets steamed properly. So they put the plastic over it. Sometimes for the clean.
Yeah.
Just to lock in the steam.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got your plain rice
I
here
always
as
put
well.
a piece of pepper and skillet in my rice.
So why do you do that? Is that for flavour or is it for spice?
It's a little flavour.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little butter.
Yeah.
Okay, sometimes I put no butter because of the allergy.
I always put butter in my rice.
No, not anymore because allergy.
The allergies.
Yeah, some people can't drink milk.
Yeah.
Some people, so I put oil instead.
So which one is the best seller? Rice and peas.
Any day.
This is definitely the best seller.
Hands down.
Yeah.
Yeah, hands down the rice and peas.
Me personally, I've taken a break from rice and peas. I've had it so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I usually take like plain rice.
Plain rice now.
Yeah.
Plain rice.
Cool.
Yeah. I'm early to buy the porridge.
So how many people work with you?
At the moment I've got volunteers.
Oh, volunteers?
Yes.
Oh,
because
nice.
I do charity work. For,
Oh, you do charity work?
yeah, I do not really charity. I give back to the community, the school kids.
Yeah.
So I've got loads of hands come to help me prepare
Nice.
for them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So it's food time. I'm about to eat now. I'm starving, so I'm gonna get some oxtail. Can I get some stewed chicken as well? Some brown stewed chicken. Yeah, get some brown stewed chicken as well. Some plain rice. Definitely looking forward to trying it. So we just got two customers. Where do you come from?
Islington.
Islington. All the way from Greenwich and Islington. Those are this far distance to Brixton. Man, so is this your first time coming or?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nice.
You don't
Yeah,
have
thanks
food
for
like this,
support.
do you?
No, definitely not in Greenwich.
No.
Islington, nah.
Nah.
Just if you want good food, you come to South London.
Yeah.
Right, so I finally got my food. I got some stewed chicken, brown stewed chicken. Got some oxtail, and I've got some salad and coleslaw. I'm gonna try it. I'm so hungry, I can't wait to tuck in. We got the oxtail. Let's take one. Very nice. This is exactly how I like my oxtail. Not too tough, very tender. Definitely slides off the bone. Tell you what, this oxtail is banging. So much flavours, very tender, slides off the bone. And it's a little bit spicy as well, which is good. You guys know I like my spicy food. They also do rice and peas, but I'm just taking a break from rice and peas. It's like a personal thing. So far I'm actually enjoying this food. I'm so full up, but I just can't stop eating. The oxtail is definitely my favourite. So I've just finished eating my food, really enjoyed it. Enjoyed the stewed chicken, enjoyed the oxtail. The atmosphere here is amazing. All you can smell is food. And the people here are really friendly. Really enjoyed the experience. If you guys are in South London, Brixton, make sure you come and support Maureen's Kitchen. And as you can see, you can eat inside, you can eat at a table, or you can do takeaway. She also does deliveries as well. So I'll put the number on the screen. And if you're in the local area, just call up. You can order before you come and collect. And she also does deliveries. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.